Hello, everybody. This is Sean Riordan from EAC 585, Dr. Rucker's class, and I'm going to give you a quick brief on distributed cognition theory. I found the theory extremely interesting because it focuses on activities in real-world settings, and essentially, if you think about this as the model of the extended mind, that means the mind is not only within your skull, but it includes and is extended to your interaction with your tools, artifacts such as history and previous learning, as well as the environment that you're in, whether that's a real-world environment, a physical environment, or an IT environment. All of those things are said to have knowledge in and of themselves. And adaptive reorganization in a functional system means that it's adaptive or it changes in response to the inputs of the system. So if you think about this as scalable, from the right, the cognitive process of one person, the middle, one person with one tool, and on the left, an entire team of people working with various tools. So if you think about this as a ship, you think about the captain in the center. The captain in the center doesn't know all of the things that the sailors around the outside do. For instance, the man with the telescope is looking at the horizon, looking for obstacles and clear pathways. The man with the slide rule is calculating speed and time. The man with the depth gauge is taking soundings to find out where he is and comparing these against the chart. The captain doesn't know all of these things, but he does get fed the inputs and allows himself to make use of his experience and make decisions on the shared knowledge that comes from all of these different people in cooperating. The chart at the bottom, the nautical chart, is what I'd like to refer to as the deposit or the repository of past experience. This is built from lots of experience, and so it's an artifact that the captain is able to use to use. All of these have aspects of knowledge. How are they used in various training environments? Well, if you adapt this, and so instead of the physical environment, you look at the cloud-based environment, data centers being the repository, like the map, the cloud being like the physical environment, distributed teams all the way around the world working on a common problem that you can see represented in the center. That's the way the distributed knowledge goes. So that individual on a microscope is contributing to the awareness of the rest of the team, or the engineer in India doing the calculations through a calculator, offloading some of the requirements for her knowledge onto a system or a tool like a calculator, is also showing that has distributed knowledge there. Teams working in Japan and teams working in the United States and India all sharing at real time and also accessing past experiments through the internet show the nature of distributed learning and distributive cognition theory. The references are here. I think really important is this Edwin Hutchins' Cognition in the Wild. Seems like it's a really, really great read, and there's so much to learn about this one that I think I'll go back and follow it up. Thank you very much.